The Rheinmetall Academy. The challenges are immense and the markets are changing, but we're arming ourselves and are well equipped for the future with the Rheinmetall Academy. Sustainable success depends on employees who not only take the transformation seriously, but actively shape it. From now on, the Rheinmetall Academy will be helping us to do so. It centralizes our knowledge sharing and builds the foundation for continued personal development. At the heart of the Rheinmetall Group, our employees learn, teach, analyze and discuss in state-of-the-art facilities. We evaluate our abilities self-critically. That's how we're getting a head start on the future. Whether you're an executive, manager, junior manager or rising talent, the Rheinmetall Academy offers the platform for becoming a business person within the group. The defense and automotive sectors are closing ranks. This is how we're channeling our shared potential, promoting and urging interdisciplinary exchange with competent in-house and guest trainers, tailored programs and the latest technology. The Supervisory Board is giving their full support because the Rheinmetall Academy also creates the best conditions for sparking dialogue between employees and the board. If you want to contribute your ideas or obtain answers to your questions, you're in the right place. The Rheinmetall Academy helps us to tackle the future today. With unified concepts, shared principles and clear leadership, it's the essence of one Rheinmetall.